Alright, how are you doing, guys? Today I'm going to talk about the top-down approach, which is used to analyze key levels on each time frame, starting from the monthly time frame and moving basically to the lower time frames. So basically, when we are talking about top-down approach, it's very essential to start to look at it from like a logical point. For example, why we are using the monthly time frame, right? To see how the previous month was closed and to build our strategy, our those draws on liquidity for this month, and like make a prediction based on the probability to how market will be moving this month, this new month. So basically, when we are talking about the top-down approach, we are starting. I personally start from the monthly time frame. So basically, what you can see right here is the monthly time frame for the euro. So let's look at the chart right now and see what we are seeing right there, right? So basically, first of all, we can see that we sweep this liquidity. This target was already reached. So we can see that target was reached. Okay, so also we can see right here the zone of imbalance. So basically you can see that we moved into this zone of fair value gap. Okay, fair value gap. So basically what I can see right here, that our September was closed with such a candle and with a rejection block, right? So after that we got this really strong reaction to the shorts, very bearish candle. So basically, when I already decided what is my view on a monthly chart, I will next move to the weekly chart. So basically, let's put everything right here. What you can see right here is that first factor is that we reached the target and got a solid reaction. Okay, and the second one is that our new month, by new month I mean the October, is very bearish. So my possible targets are located below bearish targets. Okay, as a target, I usually choose external or internal liquidity. So basically, the closest external liquidity that we can see right here is this fractal. So basically, this will be my main target for this month. If we are talking about the short movement, right? About the bearish target. So basically, after seeing everything and getting everything clear on the monthly chart, I next move to the weekly chart. Okay, let's look at the weekly chart and analyze it and look what we can see right here. Okay, I can see right here the close situation as it was on the monthly time frame. I can see right there that we sweep this liquidity. Okay, the next thing that I can see right here is that we reached our targets, our first target. Let's go just a doll. First draw on liquidity, so basically my next target will be this one. Why am I putting this as my next target? Let's look at the chart right here and analyze it. Okay, I can see right here that after the reaching this target, this external liquidity, we close with such a candle, and it is our rejection block. So after that we also entered this zone and got our reaction for the short. So basically I can see that there is a reaction, very strong reaction. But after sweeping this liquidity, after reaching this target, we are getting right now some correction, some reverse movement. So basically this is why I will look at targets, this target, close target. Okay, so everything is aligning with my monthly time frame. I saw on a monthly time frame that I am having a like a bearish movement, and I'm just confirming it on a weekly time frame. So basically after that I will move to the daily time frame and look what is happening here on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame I can see right here that I got this really solid strong reaction. Also we are forming this type of range. Okay, for example, we can see right here that we have this range. It can be evaluated as a range. I can evaluate it as a range, and we sweep this part of the range, and so our logical next target is this one. Okay, so also what I can see right here is that we got a really strong reaction after sweeping this liquidity. We got a correction like on a 50%. After that we got another strong reaction, another 50% correction, and a really strong reaction again, and again correction. So we are right now in a new range. So basically we are also testing these zones of imbalances. We like inverted it, but we are getting another reaction right now. So basically also today the funds rate will be announced, so this is why actually the market is not in a good state right now. Everyone is waiting for some clear situation on the market, so this is why please be aware of that, be careful and trade careful. Okay, so after aligning the idea, I have an idea of short on a monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame I have the idea of shorts. On a weekly time frame I have idea of shorts. So basically right now on a daily time frame I see again that we got this correction, and after that we got this reaction. We inverted this zone of fair value gap, so also we are testing right now this zone, and we are getting again this candle, this bearish candle. So if there will be enough confirmation on a low time frame, actually I will short this movement, short these moves to potential targets right here. This is our closest target on a weekly time frame, but we can see right here that on the daily time frame the previous week low is our closest new target. Okay, and I will wait for the confirmation idea of shorts if lower time frame will confirm this idea. Okay, so next I move to the 4-hour time frame and see what is happening on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, what I can see right here is that this correction and this little long movements was because we got into this trouble zone of the fair value gap on the 4-hour time frame, and now we are getting this reaction. Also we have the kind of order flow as you can see right here. So however I think that we already got a really strong solid reaction after this liquidity sweep right here. Also we inverted this zone. Okay, let's just show it like this. We're getting right now the reaction. So basically my previous week low will be my closest target, but I'm ready to reevaluate this situation if today's Fed's fund rate and the reaction from it will create a new situation, create a new market state. So after that I will be ready to evaluate. So basically this is how I'm building my top-down approach, top-down analytics. So basically if you learn something, please drop a like, drop a follow. Also keep in mind that I have an Instagram. I just started to go public, so basically if you have any questions, if you are new to trading, you can ask any question in my DMs. I will be ready. I'm ready to answer it. I will try to answer as soon as possible. So okay, I will leave my links on the description. Please subscribe to the channel, wait for the new videos, and please drop a comment if you have any suggestions, or if you have any topics that I can cover for you. Please drop your ideas. I will try to shoot videos on those topics. So basically, okay, thanks for the watching. That's it. See you on the next videos.